Hey Wolves, welcome back. Have you ever found yourself in a situation that you have that next $1 million idea and you know for sure that $1 million idea can make you million in bucks or even more, but you found yourself in a situation where you found that you don't have any cash to start that next project. And then you're stuck with your 9 to 5 trying to funding that project by working extra hours in order to get that money to fund your project. And then by that time when you have that money, you get hit with your phone bills, your house bills, your utility, your car bills, and pretty much everything, a million things to name. I know a lot of you have a lot of potential, but you are again sucked back to that position where you won't find a way to get out. That is why I'm here today to give you that sign that you can start that next project. I'm here to give you that method that I have used personally. Before, I was thinking to take out a personal loan that I have to pay a higher interest rate to start my business idea. But then, if you look back, after you make that money, you pay back the interest rate for personal loan. It could kill your profit margin. And then you will be left with little money because all your hard work being consumed by the credit card company, by that loan company that give you the money. So here I am today showing you this method. It's called the OPM, which stands for other people money. Probably you may or may have not heard of this term from other people, but with my method, you would pay $0 in interest rate, and you would have that buffer in time to give you a little extra room to wiggle when you found yourself you need more money or you need more time to pay back, and then still you pay zero interest. And a bonus thing that come with this is that you will get free travel for every dollar that you spend. And please keep in mind, I will give you a concept, I also give you the method, but at the end it is you to take this information to jumpstart your business, because I know you are capable. I know you are really strong mentally as well as having that discipline to start your business, but you haven't seen the light, and I'm here to be the light for you. I'm not here to brag, but I'm here to show you and be that person to guide you through. That's how I was able to guide a lot of my students, a lot of my mentee to where they are right now financially. They can go anywhere they want, they can do anything they want, they can spend anything to buy anything they want, and they know that they are financially free. Well, let's jump right into the video. Let's get it started. So before I go into detail, I want to give you an overview of the OPM method. So with the OPM method, you're basically borrowing other people money to fund your project with 0% APR. I know a lot of you are hesitant to borrow money to start your business. By that time you have saved up that much money, remember, that idea will be gone. So right now, entrepreneurship game is about taking risks and also about how you can manage your risk at a lower rate. That is why this method is come in play. So basically, you are borrowing credit card company money with 0% APR for a certain amount of time, like 12 months to like 24 months. And then you use that money to pay for your next venture or your next journey to build that product development to jumpstart your business. And let's say if you fail that business idea, there's a lot more card that you can use that debt with that credit card. And then you transfer it over to the new card that had 12 to 24 months 0 APR. So if your business failed, you know that you don't have to pay that debt right away. But you know that you have tried that business idea and it didn't work. And you can review the strategy that you approach this journey so that the next time when you have more cash in reserve, or if you want to take more risk, you would be able to increase that chance of success rather than the regret that you could have started this journey. You could have started that $1 million idea, you know? So it's all about the regret and the time. Money, you can always make it back. But with the time that right now you're at your 9 to 5 trying to save up that money, that opportunity may be gone by the time that you saved up enough money. Remember, always take risks. But will that risk be manageable? If it can be, take that risk. Life is about focus on making more mistake so that you can improve on the next thing. I never heard of a successful person or that person like Michael Jordan or like Kobe Bryant before they become famous, before they increase their chance of shooting successfully. They was practicing. They were failing a lot of time. 1,000 people out there that are successful. We have to start at the bottom. We have to make a lot of mistakes to be where we are today. And I hope this can inspire you to make more mistakes. Life is not about perfectionists. Life is not always about that. Oh, you have to do it right. That is why I don't like about school. You don't have to be right to be successful in life. But the more thing that you try, the higher the chance for you to become successful. Alright, let's move on to the detail of this OPM method. But I hope that word of encouragement help you to take that encouragement to start. Remember, nothing is worse than regrets. By the time that you leave this world, live with no regrets. Like that things, go get it. Want that thing, go get it. Get that bag, get the money, get that bread, get that person. Anything you want to do, go get that thing. And don't let anyone tell you that you won't be able to do it, you know? Anyways, let's get right into the detail of this OPM money method. Hey, are you ready for some action? So if you're on your phone or your laptop, your tablet, go right onto Google, search for credit card with 0% APR for 18 months or 24 months. Remember, in this technology world, you're only one search away. So always do your due diligence, be proactive learning. So with this website right here, they kind of show you all the detail about the card. Also the reward bonus when you sign up. Let's say you sign up for this card, they give you like $200 for like spending a certain amount. Also the reward like cashback, like 1.5%. Let's say you spend $10, you get like a $1.50 back. Also like purchase interest rate, which is 15 months. So basically you pay no interest for like 15 months straight. So that pretty much more than a whole year. And my recommend is like I love to use Chase. They're really good. Also American Express. So make sure you look into these numbers. Also about transfer fee. So let's say you don't want to pay back that loan, you can also transfer it to a different card. So there's like 10 card right here. You can shuffling around. You can borrow money for like 10 years straight. So also with that 3% transfer fee, if you sign up for a new card, that sign up bonus would take care of that 3% already. This is my favorite, Blue Cash Everyday Card. They kind of give you a lot of incentives as well as longer period and also like higher credit line for you. Also discover it. So really good card. Also one thing that you want to keep in mind is that they have a certain restriction that you need to follow. One of the most important that you need to remember is make sure that you make the minimum payment every month. Usually around like 3%. Let's say you borrow like $10,000, is like $300 or less. So make sure you call up the credit card to kind of know, oh, how much is my minimum payment that I have to make every month, and set up that automated payment. Because if you are behind one payment, they're gonna drop that 0% APR intro. So make sure you follow. This is super important, okay? And if you follow through, and then if you're able to spend all the money, you can enjoy a lot of like travel points, travel cashback. A lot of my traveling expenses was taken care of by these travel bonus from using credit card. So make sure you're leveraging all this. Basically free money, but remember, you have to play by their rules, okay? Always look into the fine line like the small text, okay? So I hope that you enjoy the information that I have given to you. Remember, it's not about who has the best idea, it's about who can execute it faster. So I hope that you, with this tool in your back pocket, go out there, use that money, use other people's money to get that bag for yourself. You are capable, you're amazing, and you're stronger than you think you are. And make sure that no matter what things that you're doing in life, focusing on trying more. And if right now, if you're struggling with finding time for yourself to start your business or like to start brainstorming, and you have a lot of things going on, I totally understand. Sometimes you may have to take some break so that you can kind of focus on you. And if you're still having a hard time, I do have a video that could help you to reduce that time to focusing more on you. And I would link that video in the description box below. It's called The 5 Things an Entrepreneur Must Do When They First Start Out their business. This helped me a lot. It's like 10 times my productivity, as well as it boosts myself to become who I really want to be. And I think that video is going to be really helpful for you. If you're staying all the way to the end, I just want to say thank you so much. If you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more information like this. Because your subscribe, your support, your likes, your comments, and also to my current subscribers, you guys are amazing. With your support, it would encourage me to do more, to give more, and to inspire thousands of people out there. Hopefully, I can reach out to 1 million of people with your help, with your likes, with your comments. I will be able to inspire more people, and it's really meaningful to me and to you because you are being a part of the movement. You being a part of improving yourself as well as the people around you. Imagine the world where you can see other like-minded people like me and you. It will be amazing, right? Where they speak the same language, they think the same thing as us, they do the same thing as us. That's why it's a movement. And I hope that you can share this video, like this video, comment down what you want to listen or to learn more, so that we can all together build a bigger movement of an entrepreneurship circle together. Thank you as always for staying all the way to the end, and I wish you amazing start of next week. Make sure that follow your heart, focus on you, believe in you, and do not let anyone tell you that you cannot do something, because you are the alpha and you got it. Another week, another dollar coming soon. Stay focused. Peace out.